show you how to synthesize a warning siren in Audacity. So first you need to open Audacity, and you'll have to have the LADSPA plugins for it. And to go through that, you'll just go to audacity.com, and then go to downloads and then plugins. But right now I'm going to show you how to synthesize a siren. In this case it's going to be a Model 2. First you'll have to go to generate, and then go to frequency speed. Then make sure the control is on 1, waveform is on 1, high frequency 580, time constants, about 0.8, remote frequency 0, and length in seconds is how long you want. In this case I'm going to choose 9 seconds. Actually no, 8.75 seconds. 7 seconds. Press OK. So now the length is going to be 9.75 seconds because the number of seconds you do, you want the synth to be, you just do one number back. Like if you want it 30 seconds long, then you just do 29 because it kind of adds a second to it. So here's what I got so far. See? And go to tracks and add new audio track. And go right there. Need to zoom in a little bit for this. And go to frequency speed, which is all the way down to 2. And time constants. Yeah, 0.8 again. And seconds. Hold on. And seconds.
This is dark chocolate.
No, I told you to do it.
This is dark chocolate.
I know.
I hate it.
And the length is in the seconds. It's gonna be about 30 seconds. Actually, not 29. And then press OK. And it will load. Sorry for the long time. Sorry, my computer's kind of slow. Okay, it's done. So now you can go ahead and listen. See, that sounds pretty good. But now if you listen with the kind of the whole thing, it's like this. See, it kind of has that little click in it like that. So to do that, you just like go to right here, and then go over here and add it to right there. Then press cut. Then mix and under it. Something like that. This is what I kind of do, to see what it sounds like. So it kind of sounds funny, but so now I'm gonna work it and see, it sounds really realistic. Let's see. Now what I'd like to do is like add a couple of seconds after it. And do that. Then that. Make sure this one is set to right and this one is set to left. So now you need to go to the effect and go down, scroll all the way down to G-Bird, and make sure this one is hold on. So first one is 3.1, 3.51, and then negative 17, then negative 12, then negative 15, and click OK. Do that, and then go to this one. This one is just going to be 100, and equal 0, 0.50, and then 0.50, and then go here. So now it's going to sound kind of realistic. Has some echo in there. And then it runs on this one. So now I'm mixing it a little. I think. So with that, then I like to go to what is it? It's 200. I think it's 200. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it's 200. Oh, darn it. I'm going to go to the low pass filter. Make sure it's 2,000.
Yeah, you're busted. I told you, busted.
That sounds even worse.
You're busted.
So, and then on one down it sounds even more realistic. Has all that nice echo. And around right here, I like to add some crossfade out. Do it again. And one more time. Here it is. And sometimes I like to kind of mess around with it, so to make it sound like an harder old sound and stuff, so I kind of like to subtract it by 4. Okay. So now we'll kind of sound like the corduroys now. Except for it kind of wobbles a bit. So to fix that, I'm just going to do it subtract 3. Then my equals 15 point. Then just do a bunch of these. And then we'll kind of fix it. Not much. So yeah, this is how you make the Audio Model 2 Siren Synth. Yeah, I'm gonna upload this on my YouTube channel, so